you okay?
I keep waiting to hear Crunk snoring or Zephyr yell at him for not taping his soap opera.
When the Nethers are banished back to their dimension, the Progs will answer for their crimes.
I've been trying to shut down the security system, but Captain Quark forgot the code.
I'll take care of it. You just tap into the holo feed and tell us where to go.
Step away from the windows.
He must have acquired some sort of hydraulic zipline, or...
That's gotta hurt.
So much pain.
Alright, here goes nothing. Sorry. How'd they know we were here?
The Dimensionator is the only thing that can send them back to the Netherverse. They must be here to destroy it.
How did you find me? I can't. I'm too weak. I need something to help me break the barrier.
I will help you find something. Here, try this.
Stand back. It worked! Bring me another.
Ratchet, I have located Vendra. I am working to free her as we speak.
Thanks. Got it! Let's just get out of here. I never want to see this place again.
Dimensionator, find Vendra!
We'll see about Scourge.
Hurry!
Dimensionator, find the Netherverse!
I don't think so. You're going back to Earth, so you cannot find me ever again, old friend. No one mess with my friends.
Neff?
It's alright, I'm here. It's just us now.
I was horrible to you. Why did you protect me?
You're my sister.
Where are we going?
A deal's a deal. We're going to jail.
Put me down! I will not go to jail!
Vendra, shut up. We're going to jail and that's final.
Can we still be evil?
No.
Is that the Dimensionator?
Yep.
I assume it is no longer functional.
Nope. You know, I just can't catch a break.
I am sorry.
That's okay.
If the Dimensionator was functional, would you use it?
To find the Lombaxes? I don't know. There was a time I would have said yes, but at this point, there's more for me here than over there. Come on. We don't want to keep her waiting.
Will you quit it? You sound like a darn fool.
But I've never been dead before.
If I have to spend eternity listening to your darn wailing, I'm gonna... I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Look at you. Even in the afterlife, you're still senile. Hilarious. Come on, let's go see some of those Fem droids down at the robot graveyard.